And on behalf of all of us here at SeaWorld, I would like to take this moment to recognize all of the men and women of our armed forces. We proudly welcome you and your families, and at this time ask any past or present members of our United States Armed Forces, or any of our other allies from around the world to please rise. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in honoring these men, women, and their families. For your service. And now, before we begin today's presentation, we would like to share
Hi everyone, on behalf of the Kettlebell Training Team, I'd like to welcome you to Orca Stadium. My name is Sean. I've been an animal trainer here for the past 11 years. And I can tell you that being an animal trainer is more than just a job. It's a way of life. We have dedicated our professional and our personal lives to the animals in our care. It's a huge responsibility and the ultimate privilege for us to be able to care for, teach, learn from, and build strong relationships with these killer whales. And it's an honor for us to share what we have learned through those relationships with all of you today and for many years to come. Now please enjoy Orca Encounter!
problem-solving abilities. These behaviors keep our whales active and engaged. SeaWorld's killer whales have inspired generations to care for our natural world, and we're excited to share their story with you today.
For example, when you visit the doctor, you present your arm to draw blood, or step on the scale to see how much you weigh. It's much the same with our whales.
Throughout today's presentation, you will see these whales moving together in unison. These synchronized behaviors help strengthen social bonds and also allow them to problem solve as a group. This is just one of the reasons why they are known as the ocean's top predator. Their scientific name is Orca. Their common name, the killer whale. These 5 whales have their own personal names: Takara, Sakari, Kamea, and joining us right here out front, Kayuke and Tuar. Kamea is the youngest whale at 8 years old, and Takara is the oldest whale at 30 years old. Takara is the matriarch of our 5, which means she's the leader. These whales trust us and take an active role in their own health and well-being. Through the use of positive reinforcement training techniques, we teach them husbandry or healthcare behaviors. Joining us on the slide outs are Laura, Casey, and Sean to demonstrate some of these behaviors.
Thanks, Jack. Hey everybody, I'm over here with 23-year-old Tuar. So as Jack mentioned, we teach the whales a large variety of husbandry behaviors. One of the diagnostic tools that we use is how much each whale weighs. So once a week, in one of our back adjacent pools, on a killer whale size scale, we ask the whales to slide their bodies completely up and out of the water, just as Tuar was demonstrating right here. Now as he slides out, you'll notice a portion of his body is remaining in the water, from his dorsal all the way down to his tail flukes. This area is called his peduncle, and it weighs hundreds of pounds. So in order to get an accurate weight, we'll ask the whales to lift that tail up and out of the water. This is so important that we're getting these weights with all the whales to ensure that our younger whales are growing appropriately and our more mature whales, like Tuar, are maintaining a healthy weight. Throughout today's presentation, you'll notice that we're giving the whales back rubs or tail massages. Their skin is very sensitive, and this is just one of the many ways that we can build our relationships with the whales.
That's right, Casey. Now Laura's over here interacting with our largest member of our killer whale family, Kayuke. And she's asking him to hurriedly demonstrate one of the first behaviors that we teach any of our whales. And this behavior is known as a glute present. Now while Kayuke is demonstrating this behavior, you can see that we get a great look at the entire underside of his body. We also have access to these easy-to-see shallow blood vessels on the white underside of his tail flukes. Our veterinarian staff can collect a blood sample from these tail flukes, and we do this at least once a month during our whales' routine monthly physical to check their health. Now this is one of the many husbandry behaviors that allow us to ensure that the whales are healthy and thriving.
And the care isn't just physical. Mental stimulation and play are vital, and we surprise and engage with our whales every opportunity. Play is how killer whales teach their young to hunt, and for the adults, play is important too. It seems that they just enjoy having fun. Making time for play is an important part of life for killer whales, and for us.
Hey everybody, I'm down here with Kylie, and we are hanging out with Tuar. So whales learn in the ocean from their moms. They'll follow those behaviors, they'll mimic those behaviors, but here at SeaWorld, a lot of times they'll learn by following our behaviors. So are you ready to play a little game of follow the leader with Tuar? You're not! I think we practiced it. All you're gonna have to do is you're gonna stick that hand up real high in the air. Let's see, and he's gonna play follow the leader with you. Very nice! Awesome job! So he saw you really well right there. Whales have a really good eyesight, both above and below the water. So at times you'll see them spy hopping to get a glance at things around them, or even leaping all the way out of the water to get a really good visual of what's going on around them. So we're going to ask Tuar to do that right now. Remember how we're going to point at him and and throw it across our body. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. And there he goes. You can come on up here and get a really good look at him. Can you see him down there? He's using that powerful tail to lift his body up and out of the water.
Wow, that looks like a lot of fun. Hey everyone, Chua is joining myself and Jose over here. Now Jose, whales can communicate through a wide variety of means. And one of those ways is by making sounds with their blowhole. You're going to ask Chua to demonstrate that. But first, why don't you take this fish and toss it over the glass into his mouth. Very nice. Now, you're going to ask him to make that vocalization by doing that first hand signal. There you go. Put your arms up and rock your fingers. Awesome job, Jose and Chua. Now, sound waves underwater actually travel 4.5 times faster than they do in the air. So the whale leaps out of the water and comes crashing down. That's not going to be heard from a mile away. We're going to ask Chua to demonstrate that for us, okay? We're going to show them that second hand signal. So you want to take your arm, that claw, throw it across, and point down. Very nice, Jose. Now I'm going to ask you to step on up here and watch as he swims all the way down to the bottom of the pool here. He's going to be traveling 40 feet down. And everybody in the audience, listen up at just how loud he can sound when he comes falling back down. Oh, look out, Jose! Oh man, Jose, I had no idea that you were going to do that. Well, you know what? It's a good thing I had this towel here for you, just in case you got a little bit wet. Let's give it up for our volunteers.
As you can see, killer whales can communicate in a variety of different ways.
Follow SeaWorld on Facebook and Instagram to keep track of our latest rescues and find out more about animals in our group. Thanks again, everyone, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your day at SeaWorld.